So first of all, if you made it this far into the video, thank you for indulging me. I got the new camera and some new software this week, and easiest way for me to learn is to do. So I've been playing around with the camera, playing around with the software, trying to figure out how to use it pretty well. Also like to take this opportunity to thank everyone for subscribing. I've been really surprised by how quickly my subscription rate has gone up. So as a thank you, I'm planning on doing a giveaway once I hit 500 subscribers. I'm going to be working on a couple of hybrid castings this week, which I'll film both of. And what I'll do is give away one blank from each of those blocks. So there'll be 2 winners for when I hit 500 subscribers. So the faster I get to 500, faster you have a chance of winning those. So make sure you subscribe, share my channel on Facebook, share it on Twitter, Instagram, anywhere you can think of. Try and help me get up to 500, and we'll get that drawing taken care of. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, make sure you're notified when I release something new. I probably won't see many of them, but if you like today's video, hit the like button, leave me a comment, let me know how I did. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I'm trying to use all the social media now. Thanks again for watching. You all have a great week, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.